Alright, it's Butterball 619. I gotta went to some garage sale. Got this. And also I got these. Spawn. And Chucky. All this for 40 bucks. So it's a pretty good deal, man. This one looks scary. My man Chucky and his bride. And this sick motherfucker. He talks. Let me see, what the fuck?
Well, hello, Mr. Fancy Pants.
What a sick ass haul. 40 bucks. Alright, see you around.